G'day guys, it's Pete from Perfectly Reasonable Necessities. Today we've got a new video for you, a little bit different. We've made a video on the Brisbane Woodworking Show. It's called the Tools and Artesian Woodworking Show, and we went there on the 22nd of March, Australian time. We took some video footage of some of the suppliers there, particularly Arbortech, which I found really interesting and really excited to try and maybe one day to test some of their products. And then we took some video, well, it was actually some pictures of some other stuff that was around, all the artwork and the different classes and things that were on. So we hope you like this one, and also none of the sponsors in this video actually sponsored me at all. This is all off my own self-interest and what I found to be exciting and interesting to have a look at. So we hope you enjoy this one.
Lately we have been working on making the wood carving even better and easier by helping minimise the dust and unit waste. You guys familiar with that turbo plane? What we have here is what we call a chip catcher. Behind the blade is a little propeller which creates a suction. So you don't necessarily need a vacuum cleaner. You can actually just have that hose running into a bucket and the chips just fly straight out into a bucket, so you don't have to waste your time spending an hour cleaning up your workshop. We do a range of cutters from 4-inch to 2-inch with the mini turbo. That just enables you to get in and do much smaller radiuses. It will even get onto the end grain and give you a really nice smooth finish. And once again, the shavings that I'm getting are just nice curly shavings that drop on your shed floor. We have a range of attachments with our constant sander, our ball gouge and our turbo shaft. So what you're seeing here is how one grinder can be 3 separate shaping and finishing things. Someone stole my shifter. Excuse me, Mona. Would you be able to run over to Vince quickly and grab my shifter? Could you run over to Vince quickly and grab my shifter? Our new mini grinder. In the pack it will come with 2 face plates. This one has the dust cut. Comes with a range of cutters in there. So you've got the industrial cutter. You can trench with it. You can hollow out. You can really get down deep into your carving. So you've got a shaping and a finishing tool with the mini grinder. A half-inch cutter. This is our turbo cutter. Put it on its side and get a lovely radius carving. Once I finish with that, down through it. And then, I want a bigger radius. Go to my ball gouge, which is one of our latest developments by Arbortech. It is the world's first self-sharpening carving tool. How it does it is incredibly simple. I can't believe that it hasn't been thought of before. As it's spinning in a clockwise direction, it's shaving the timber on that face, where this back edge is being dragged on the timber. This is tool spin, so it's basically being finished. Once it gets blunt on this side, undo that screw, spin it around 180 degrees, now that burnished edge is your cutting edge, and your dull cutting edge is being burnished. Give you a lovely radius. And give you a very smooth finish. All our cutters will give you that lovely smooth finish, minimising the finishing shaving time. And then I want to do my finishing with the same grinder. Just chuck in my contents there. Now this rotating. You think, oh yes, so what's so new about that? It's also an oscillator. As it slows down, you can see I've got that vibrating action. We have two bearings there with the resistive action. So when I push it really hard and stop spinning, it's still effectively sound by vibrating. I can hold it lightly when it's a sound a large area. It'll give you a very flat finish, but where this one really comes into its own, you don't want to get into there. Now if that was to continue to spin, it will just build up friction and burn out. It stops spinning, it continues to effectively sound by vibrating. That's the contour thing. Then we move on to, I've done the mini grinder. I'm going to move on to our power chisel. The mini grinder and the power chisel come to... You might not believe this, but I can't even draw an anatomically correct koala bear. So Google Images is my friend. I go to Google Images, whatever animal I want to do a carving of, I get the picture, glue it onto a bit of plywood or MDF and cut that shape out on the bandsaw. Then tack that onto my timber and I can follow that profile along. Once I've gone down deep enough to start getting a three-dimensional shape, I take the template away, hang it up on my shed wall and use it for next time.